Keto cream cheese truffles. These Keto cream cheese truffles are decadent bites full of chocolate, coffee, and rum flavors. Instead of using chocolate, we're using unsweetened cocoa powder and cream cheese to make up the bulk of the truffle. You won't have to worry about finding a specialty chocolate brand to make these. There's also no cooking involved, so they are incredibly easy to make. You will need to plan ahead so that they are properly chilled before serving. If they are not cold, then the truffles can be a bit soft. Softness does nothing to change the flavor. Of course, to add the coffee flavor, I chose to use instant coffee. If you prefer to use brewed coffee or espresso, just omit the instant coffee crystals and replace the water with your coffee of choice. You can also substitute the rum extract for real rum, or other flavors of extract that you have on hand. Peppermint or orange would be fun to try. They will need to be refrigerated until serving, and they are really at their best when kept cold. Ingredients: 1. 16 ounces cream cheese, softened. 2. 1/2 cup cocoa powder, unsweetened, divided. 3. 4 tablespoons Swerve confectioners. 4. 1/4 teaspoon liquid stevia. 5. 1/2 teaspoon rum extract. 6. 1 tablespoon instant coffee. 7. 2 tablespoons water. 8. 1 tablespoon heavy whipping cream. 9. 24 paper candy cups for serving. Instructions: 1. In a large bowl, add the cream cheese, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, Swerve, stevia, rum extract, instant coffee, water, and heavy whipping cream. 2. Use an electric hand mixer to whip all of the ingredients together until they are well combined. Place the bowl in the fridge for half an hour to chill before rolling. 3. Spread the remaining 1/4 cup cocoa powder out. Roll heaping tablespoons in the palm of your hand to form balls, then roll them around in the cocoa powder. You will end up with about 24 total. Place them individually in small paper candy cups. 4. Chill for an hour before serving. This makes a total of 24 servings of Keto cream cheese truffles. Each serving comes out to be 72.71 calories, 6.97 grams fats, 1.67 grams net carbs, and 1.23 grams protein.